In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, Assalamu alaikum. I, Miss Rabia, welcome you in the series of all subjects lectures based on single national curriculum from grade 1 up to grade 5. In this video, I am going to solve the exercise of lesson Contribution of Provinces, Regions in the Making of Pakistan and Historical Personalities of Pakistan from Social Studies Book 4. Let's start short question answers. Question 1. Which province decided to join Pakistan first? Answer is Sindh province decided to join Pakistan first. Second question. Write the names of the leaders from Punjab who played significant role in the Pakistan movement. Answer is the name of the leaders from Punjab who played significant roles in the Pakistan movement are Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Sir Muhammad Shafi, Barkat Ali and Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz. Question 3. When did Quaid-e-Azam joined the All India Muslim League? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam joined the All India Muslim League in 1913. Next question. Why is Allahabad Address of 1930 important? Answer is Allama Iqbal envisioned a separate state for Muslim in Allahabad on 30th December. This same vision later became the basis of the establishment of Pakistan. Therefore, this address is very important. Now, detailed question answers. Elaborate on the role of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan in the formation of Pakistan. Role of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa were fully engaged in the Pakistan movement. Sardar Abdul Rab Nishtar played important role in Tehreek-e-Pakistan. Similarly, Sardar Aurangzeb Khan and Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum Khan were also active leaders of Pakistan movement. On June 3, 1947, referendum was held in July 1947 to decide the future of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. In this referendum, people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa decided to join Pakistan. Now, role of Balochistan. The people of Balochistan have always upheld their freedom. They have always been against British autonomy. In 1939, on the advice of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a political advisor named Qazi Muhammad Isa strengthened the Muslim League in Balochistan. Mir Jafar Khan Jamali was also a key figure in the Pakistan movement and was one of the leaders of the Muslim League. He was one of the supporters of Quaid-e-Azam. He prepared the people of Balochistan to join the Muslim League and played an active role in the Pakistan movement. The people of Balochistan completely supported the resolution of Pakistan in 1940. Finally, the Royal Jigra of Balochistan decided to join Pakistan in June 1947. Next question is, write a note on the contribution of minorities in the formation of Pakistan. Answer is, Muslims as well as minorities played an important role in the struggle for the establishment of Pakistan. Many of them preferred to stay in Pakistan during the partition of the India subcontinent and offered their services to the country. S.P. Singha, the Speaker of the Punjab Assembly, was prominent Christian leader. Minorities have played their full role in the development of Pakistan. For example, the former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court A.R. Cornelius and the Chief Justice Bhagwan Das. In the field of politics, Akshay Kumar Das, Kamran Michel, Kamni Kumar Datta and Dr. Ramesh Kumar are some prominent names. In the field of health, the name of Dr. Ruth Poffo and Sister Ruth Loyas are noteworthy. Next question is, what were the qualities of Quaid-e-Azam as a leader that made the independence of Pakistan possible? Compare these qualities with your personal attributes. Answer is, as a leader, Quaid-e-Azam had the following characteristics that made Pakistan possible. He was a barrister and a successful politician. Quaid-e-Azam worked day and night to fulfill the dream of independence movement. He worked hard, he spoke out for the political, social and economic rights and freedoms of Muslims. He stood up to the British and the Congress. He spent all his energy to stabilize Pakistan. अब हम कंपैरिजन देखेंगे अपने साथ. कंपैरिजन like Quaid-e-Azam, I always support the truth. I strive for the rights of others. Question 3. Write a few sentences about the significant role Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah played in the Pakistan movement. Paste her picture in the given box. In 1938, Fatima Jinnah became the head of the women's sections of All India Muslim League. She visited the subcontinent with the Quaid-e-Azam and created a sense of freedom in Muslim women. Now, objective portion. Question. Make the correct answer using tick. The knowledge that presents a series of records and analyzes the past events is called A. Economics, B. Mathematics, C. Philosophy, D. History. Correct option is D. History. The world's first written language was invented in A. Nile Valley, B. Mesopotamia, C. Indus Valley, D. Egyptian Valley. Correct option is B. Mesopotamia. Number 3. It was an important city of the Indus Valley civilization. A. Lahore, B. Multan, C. Harappa, D. Peshawar. Correct option is C. Harappa. Which province joined Pakistan through referendum at the time of Pakistan's creation? A. Balochistan, B. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, C. Sindh, D. Punjab. Correct option is B. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Number 5. Quaid-e-Azam joined the All India Muslim League in A. 1911, B. 1912, C. 1913, D. 1914. Correct option is C. 1913. Second question. Put tick in front of the correct statement and cross in front of the incorrect statement. The Mesopotamian civilization began alongside the Nile Valley cross. The rulers of the Egyptian civilization were called pharaohs. Tick. The people of Sindh were warriors. Cross. The Pakistan resolution was presented in Lahore on 23rd March 1940 in order to demand a separate homeland. True. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born on 9th November 1877 in Lahore. Cross. Question 3. Match the columns. इजिप्टियन सिविलाइजेशन को आप मैच करेंगे फ्लोरिश्ड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द नाइल। द इंडस वैली रीजन consisted of present-day Pakistan, India and northeastern Afghanistan. मेसोपोटामिया को आप मैच करेंगे consisted of areas included in the modern day Iraq, Turkey and Syria. Ancient men lived in caves. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Like and share my videos and subscribe this channel for watching more videos based on single national curriculum. Allah Hafiz.